No!
Dude, calm down. What's wrong?
Parker, my Goober Eats canceled my food. I'm gonna starve.
Relax. I'll go get you some food.
Hurry! I won't last much longer, buddy.
What the?
Oh, hey there, buddy. No need for that. Kinda full here. I used your credit card to buy a whole bunch more Goober Eats.
Ugh,
Don't be a grumpy pants.
You are so...
Man, cookies are the best.
No more cookies. It's bedtime and sugar makes you go insane. Not trying to deal with that tonight.
It's time for a secret spy cookie mission.
No!
Mission successful. My mission is simple. Create the ultimate Slurpee. Mama mia, that's a lot of spaghetti!
Fresh ground pepper.
I'm good, thank you.
Yes, I want some! I want some! I want some!
Don't you know pepper makes you sneeze?
I don't care! Give me the pepper! I'm not gonna sneeze. Just a little more pepper.
Steven, are you sure? That's a lot of pepper.
I'm good. I'm good. Hey, Parker, check this out. Excuse me. Uh-oh, Mamma Mia. That's a lot of boogers.
Just give me the check, please. Just give me the check.
Tatum, let's get that ice cream truck, buddy! Come on, you goober! We'll never catch him if you don't move! I guess you just don't want ice cream then. Tatum? Tatum? Oh, did you get that for me, buddy?
Steven, I made a Sunday station.
Is this a ice cream party? Best day ever!
Go slow or you're gonna get a brain freeze.
Oh, come on. I'm not gonna get...
Dude, I can't understand what you're saying. Oh, you want this? But if I pour this on you, it'll get all over...
That was fun. Let's do it again.
Steven, no. I'm not helping you anymore.